Merry Christmas guys, and welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we're back for another DIY, and this one is not going to be the same kind of DIY I did before. Today's DIY is going to be all about customization. I'm very excited to try this one because if the result looks the way I think it will, it's gonna be amazing. This is also, in my opinion, I never tried this before, but I think this one will also be the most complicated DIY I've done so far. No more waiting, let's see what you need if you want to realize the same DIY at home. So for this DIY you'll need, for this DIY I'm gonna use this here. The shape is not important for this DIY. What is important is that it's something made of glass and something that you want to customize. I don't even know if it has to be made of glass, but this is what I'm gonna use. Then you'll need tacky glue, you'll need big salt like this. I'm gonna add some glitter, and then after it's up to you. You can use any kind of decorations you'd like to add to it. So I've chosen to add jute cord and all those things that are Christmas related. I have to find something to do with that, but that will be for another video. Oh, and also it all depends on what you want, but I'm going to use this to put both the glitter and the salt in it so that it's going to be easier for me to do it. And also I'm going to use this to create beautiful shapes. Okay, so now that we're ready, let's go. Okay, so now let's do the other side. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it as much as I do. If you tried it at home, feel free to share your results with us, and as always, thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, sharing everything, and I shall see you guys in the next one.